Hello and welcome to COM 206. This is Introduction to Health Communication. I'm Dr. Spates here giving you a checklist to help remind you of the things that are due for this unit. The first thing that I want to give you a little bit of attention to is our textbook, as you can see in the bottom left-hand corner. Just in case you were wondering, that is just a reminder there. But I want to give you a checklist for this unit because things are due and deadlines kind of come and go, and I just want everyone to be on the same page and on track with everything that's going on. And so here's a quick reminder. The first thing that I want to give you is to read chapters 4 through 7 of our course textbook. Again, that is the picture on the left side. That's the cover page for our current textbook. So if you haven't already, make sure you get it and then prepare yourself. You'll need it for the upcoming exam. Also complete case study response number 2. When you're submitting, a few of you have questions on that. You can just click on the title of the assignment and it will give you instructions to attach your file and submit. Remember to use either a Microsoft Word document or a PDF format for attaching. That is the easiest way to make sure that it attaches correctly and that there are no issues. Please make sure you are following the guidelines when you are submitting and giving your full responses. Keep in mind that you do not have to rehash the case during your response. That will just use up unnecessary space in your response. Remember, it's 2 to 3 pages, so you don't want to use up page length by telling me again what's happening in the case. I already know what's happening. Instead, just tell me about your response and support your response with content from the textbook. Exam 1 will become available on June 23rd. That is 2 days from now. So on Saturday morning, as early as Saturday morning, you can begin taking the Exam 1. It is kind of a midterm style, so there are a few more questions, but this is an online exam. So of course, you know, there are resources there for you to use. It is timed. Once you begin the exam, you cannot stop it or go away and come back. You must complete it once you begin. So keep that in mind. And if time runs out on you, it will automatically submit whatever you have completed. So just make sure you're going at a good pace. Do not try to just look and use your book and notes to find the answer each time. That's going to take up a lot of time. So just make sure that you have taken notes, that you've read the chapters and done the work, and things will be fine. This is COM 206, so I'm not going to be asking you questions to trip you up or to trick you. It is just questions to make sure that you are knowledgeable of the content. As always, I'm available for questions. You can email me directly, or you can use our discussion board section where I will set up, you'll see it on the left-hand side. If you go to discussions, you'll see opportunities for you to ask questions. That way, if the whole class may have that same question, they can see my response rather than everyone emailing me individually. I hope this helps, and I wish you good luck as you go into Unit 2. Keep up the good work. I am in the middle of grading your Unit 1 homework, and so far so good. So continue doing well, and I wish you a great summer as always. Take care.